again, I want you to seek a professional opinion from your doctor to confirm if it is osteoarthritis. We really do need special tests. Aside from the best test, which is an actual physical examination po, like I said, I have the patients lie down, I check their knee, I actually feel their knee. The next best test is actually yung X-ray. So yung X-ray is the next best test that can tell us if the patient has arthritic or arthritis sa tuhod po, or baka lang yung patient may injury sa kneecap. Other patients can have injuries in the kneecap. You can have fractures or dislocations, especially if natumba. Tapos napaluhod po yung tuhod. That can cause a fracture in the kneecap. Tapos I've had patients who have fractured the kneecaps. Not everyone requires surgery, of course. It really depends on how the injury is. The injury has a personality kasi may injury na masama, may injury na hindi masyadong masama. So, it really depends on the personality of the injury or the fracture. It's not always bone. It's sometimes just cartilage. Pag sinasabing cartilage, pinapakita ko po sa inyo yung blue part ng tuhod, may konting gasgas. That can be an injury. That can also be part of arthritis.